Good morning, dear students. Welcome to geography class. Today we are going to discussing about human geographical, very important part, the scope of geography. Scope of geography which are related, the several factors comes to under here. First one, human activities influences on the world. Human activities is nothing but, it means human geography is the main branch of geography. All type of human activities, it may be related to here. Particularly for what are the geographical resources, what are the human activities should be concerned. At the same time, human presence and impact on the natural environment also it explains. So human geography, it may be several factors, such human geographical factors which are influencing like that economic activities, transportation, communication, human life, technology, including particularly for the population, religion, culture, which are all influencing particularly for the human life. It is also scope, directly, indirectly related, all activities comes to nearby the concern. Apart from how they are influencing on the life, how they are particularly impact on the society. So how suppose Plateau, mountain, river, soil, which are the features are there. So which are the features, human life, how their impact. Everything you are going to better understanding in the scope of geography. So why their life is different, mountain people different, Plateau people different, river basin, river life, everything which are different. Soil fertility, which are the variation, those regions also which are variation. Why they concern? Every time which are related to particularly for the human activities influencing in the different part, like that mountain, Plateau, river, soil, again I am. So why their life which are differ? Totally as a man role is very important. Apart from, you are going to consider overall physical features where they are different, or their Antarctica life, Arctic life, oceanic life, okay, everything which are including apart from the human activities, how they are influencing. In the early societies is nothing but the journey of the man, the man journey. The man journey, it is most important. From the evolution of the earth from that date to today, the journey of the man how comes, the different activities directly struggling every time in nature, particularly for the early societies also which are influencing on the human life. Early societies means in early societies some civilization people, nomadic people, a group of people just they are particularly lived particularly in the forest region. What is the nomadic people? Earlier society which may be nomadic people only they were existed. Nomadic people particularly for forest region they were lived. So those people life, activities. So nomadic people is nothing but the people movement from one place to another in searching of the food. So at the same time they were used, the main occupation of the nomadic people in the tribal in the ancient society, hunting, food gathering, animal grazing, fishing, which are the major occupation. So their personal fashionized dwellings they were used, particularly for bones and skins of the animals, so wood, stones, so some related local made materials they were used, particularly dwellings, the killing the animals and other important purposes. Anyway, traditionally they are getting lot of materials from particularly from the nature. Nature provided everything. Okay, so these are earlier societies which are different. Why they are in the Amazon basin, Congo basin, different forest region, coastal region societies, thousands of societies which may be related apart from the concern. So these are all the one thing. Then domestic of plants and animals. So domestic of plants in the nomadic people later they use the skilled. Domestic of animals is another greater changes in the natural environment. So domestic of animals are the large extensive particularly for the human life. Domestication of plants and animals influences. So domestication it is another important changes in the early societies. Domestication of animals which may played important role. The man who nomadic especially. So domestication of many more animals in its life, particularly greater changes in the earlier societies. So such a reason the man, the animals purposes, animals what are purposes, it will be extensive grazing, grass and something going to cultivation. So related to extensive grazing, it maybe helps to the cultivation of the crops. The cultivation of the crops helps to what are the making leads to in the result of agriculture. Agricultural, it is indirectly related to domestication of plants and animals. So agricultural, wide extension of agricultural, man who found particularly for the permanent food supplies from the nature. So ultimately who may be thought permanent settlements, one particular place. Earlierly they are nomadic in searching of food one place to another. Later who settled permanently one place, and like that the culture, the tradition may be started. Anyway, related to whatever particularly for the plants and animals. So plants and animals leads to some vegetables cultivations, some what are the local need particularly for essential for survival, especially for intensive farming system may be developing in the earlier stage. Totally the man agricultural found in the later stages. Then come to the next one, development of industries. In the man who successfully lived particularly for the permanent supply of food who found already through the agricultural. So later the man who thought in his knowledge some cottage industries may be started. In the medieval time, cottage industries may be started. Cottage industries, some more materials may be bought. So it may be leads to modern industrial role, different types of industries, cloth industries, including one or two type of industries. Essential basic industries the man who found. Industrial development may be concerned. So man who search extraction of the minerals from the earth. So different types of minerals who found. So the minerals may be extracted and many more industries may be started. Ultimately the man transportation may be developed because these raw materials to industries, industrial finishing products into market centers, man who a good transportation network may be concerned. So these are all the things may be in this stage. The transportation may be conducted in the different conserving continent wise, national wise, different source between the nation, between the continents, man who source particularly for the trade and commercial activities. So it is another important leads to man who much more important industrial transportation may be concerned, it may be developed. Larger point of the world, either is a fishing may be development, where the minerals are there, their industries may be development, where agricultural soil is very good. So that places fertilized soil centers may be agricultural may be developed. So agriculturally, industrially, fishing in the where the luxuriant growth of forest may be existed, those region, the wood to timber may be development, lumbering activities may be concerned. These are the man who ultimately changing, particularly for the skill may be used to according to industrial materials, what their dwellings. So in like earlier stage used for particularly where the leaves. So later in the industrial made the cloths. Shelter in the earlier stage particularly for the cottage, top of the roof, particularly for the trees. So later a separate town planship, cities may be concerned, a proper township may be concerned, manage, utilize neatly, apart from whenever the development of industry, trade, transportation influences, large type of technological may be the man used particularly. Anyway, it is another important next step. So first step, human life, how they are particularly early society is beginning, the man used how, what are the things particularly concerned, later domestication of animals and plants, later the leads to agricultural and development of industries, transportation will be concerned. Next one, that is the invention of internal combustion. This is very important. The man thinking also much more developed. Invention of internal combustions. So it leads to, helps to whenever automobile industry. The automobile industry leads to large amount of changes, rapid changes in the world. Automobile industry, so steamers, so ships, so John Wright brothers particularly introduced in the aeroplane. So what are the transportation revolution may be conducted. Industrial revolution, transportation revolution, agricultural revolution, all revolution concern related to particularly for the whenever the combination of the discoveries. So combination, later the discoveries and exploration may be conducted. So after in the 15th and 16th century, Columbus, Vasco da Gama, many more explore navigators, particularly they explore discover different continents or different islands, so may be connected. So relationship may be much more developed. One continent, another continent, one place, another place due to discoveries. The man who found particularly for helps to whenever petroleum invention, even especially coal, natural gas, especially fossil fuels invention, lot of changes. Petroleum, diesels, they are used in the particular rapid changes in the transportation, including whenever particularly the development of navigation also it may be leads to industrial machineries may be changing, it may be concern. So it may be what are the changes, it may be comparison, one continent to another continent, life, culture, population, everything may be concern. Next, what are the particular the fossil fuels also it leads to technological development. Okay, science and research and resources may be found much more influence on the life of human. So discovery it is a part. Discovery it is a new places may be invented. At the same time inventions new, suppose radio, televisions, telephone, communication may be much more developed. Man important inventional contributions. So communication may be much more developing in the later stages. So anyway, these which are one to another one as may be linked, one to another may be linked. The man journey it is a different. Once upon a time Adi Manava, nomadic person, today as much more as a fashionable person. His dress, diet, language, everything is maybe different. Lot of comparison. There, whenever the leaves wear the cloth, particularly Adi Manava, now today as a fashionable person who is searching for new planet, searching for all the planets, and who particularly for where better life may be concerned. Thinking capacity also increasing, particularly the man technology may be role. So man, that's why I said already, unrestable man and unstable earth. Yes, so now importance of studying human geography. Human geography, why we are going to studying human geography? That is the importance or significance. So who getting more benefits? The man is getting more benefit, particularly for any importance. So apart from human geography, it is most important because physical environment means physically environment, natural environment from the ancient, from the early time, they are provided raw materials to the man. The man, what are the materials are there? They are going to altered in the different time, in the different sense, apart from in his life convenient. So anyway, without man, without environment, man he can't do anything. Either he, upon the materials, raw materials available, the man is getting or not getting secondary point. Totally provided raw material, the concern is a part of natural environment. So apart from importance, importance means all over concern. It's not a one particular point. So either physical activities, either human activities, everything which are considered. So particularly first importance human geography. So better to understand between the nations, one nation to another nation, one continent to another continent, and one local to another local. So totally each part also will going to concern better to understand, particularly for the life of the people. So what is America, what is England, what is China, what is India, 200 nations also, what are the life structures, what are the relationship of human, what are the environmental availability, raw materials available, everything it may be going to consider. Such point it may be noted. So between all comparison may be concerned, human life. So better to understand comparison of 200 nations, including internal, either state, either village, either taluk, either town, what are may be concerned. So including everything also it may be going to concern is the first importance of human geography. Second one, cultural landscape. Cultural means cultural relationship of every man. Cultural relationship between the man and nature, the worshipped, the ancient type, nature, it may be worshipped by man. So today the different religious peoples are there, either Christian, Muslim, including Hindu, Jainism, Parsi, many more, all type of religious culture, it may be concerned. These people life, their cultural habits, why they are cultural changing from one nation to another, what are the concern, why it is may be related to one religion as similarities of culture, similarities of festivals, similarities of religious, everything it may be socio-cultural life also is better to understand 200 nations what it may be concerned. Next, language. I don't know, more than 4,000, 5,000 languages are there in the world. Apart from these languages, how much they are influence of the human life? Different nations, different language. In India, maybe more than 1,500 languages in India. Okay, written languages, non-written languages may be concerned. So these languages, how much influence on the life of the human? Okay, the writing as a books, as a language, culture, it may be influenced. So totally, so even what I am telling now, so language is very most important role apart from here. So even concern the matter particularly for every part of the earth. Okay, their life, their traditions, the different traditions are there. They are coming medieval traditions, ancient traditions, including their culture. So everything which are intermixed, integrity, diversity and integrity, it is the most important role. So even the settlement relationship also, settlement pattern also which are varied, one place to another. So even Antarctica continent that is excluded, remaining place particularly for North America, South America, Africa, Asia, apart from all the nations, settlements patterns which are different, one place to another, another place to another, why their pattern, the living clusters, random, XYZ pattern, linear, these are all different type of settlements. Major difference the rural settlements and urban settlements. Anyway, the settlements pattern also most important comparison all over the world through the studying of human geography. Okay, adopted multi-stone buildings today, which plays most important role. Once upon a time, the man lived top of the cot, what are the tin cottage. So today as a multi-stone apartments. Under the ocean also you may be developed how to go into shelter. So on the space also. So lot of the man settlements is not only available on the land. So it may be utilized under the ocean also in different planets also you thinking. So like that settlements pattern also it is much more important through the concern. Next, population. Population more than 730 billion population in the world. So this population, how much influence on the human and economic development in the world? So individual countries, so local, some places high density of population, some places low density of populations. The disparity of the population, why people that migrate one place to another. Rural people migration pattern, urban people migration pattern. Causes which are separate. Totally, it is to be analyzed. Distribution of sex ratio, female and female, education, literacy, rural development. So everything going to study population geography, population relationship also play important through the studying of whenever particularly for human geography importance. So population relationship we already studied. So next human geography better to helps all type of administrators, planners, navigators, explorers, discoveries people, research people. Okay, these are all people, all category of the people, they are coming to help by the human geography. So definitely anything, the guidelines is very important. Any plan as a township, even including administrations of the cities, politics, boundary fixing, everything, some behind history is very important. This history may be concerned to geographical factors. The geographical factors is the most important role as guideline to given every people of the world. Okay, without geographical source. So even human life also it may be concerns. So one place to another, the man traveling also. So research also, either is a oceanic, either is atmosphere, either is a out of the space. These are all related to whenever the geographical sense. Anyway, lot of uses, unlimited sentence going to explanation in the human geography importance. No need not. Last one, changing approaches of human geography. The man also every time, every second is changing his habits, its culture, due to his skill may be much more used to using the technology adaptation. Each second also technology may be changes in the world. So in the 18th century, mathematical and statistical may be adopted in the geography, quantitative revolution may be conducted. All statistical information may be including in the basic geography. Areal differentiation, okay, area wise and regional wise may be studying. Totally, the quantitative revolution which played much more important role in geography, especially for the human geography. This thing totally is it is not much more part of limitations. Anyway, it is one of the important role when the mathematical and statistical approaches conducted in the 19th and 20th century. Anyway, today we have a lot of information you have studied under the human geography. Last chapter, suppose scope of geography, how much the man's scope, the wide, particularly related to field, including importance of studying human geography. Why we are studying to human geography, what their importance, what they are collecting informations, what are the existed information. So what are the scholars and research people, what they are telling to be more important role. And these are all not one by one, so not a limited point. So what is the life of the mountain people, plateau people, in the river basin people, every people, their life, their culture, their habits, their strength, their weakness, everything we are going to studying in the human geography. Totally, the first chapter is nothing but the man and environment relationship should be need what we have studied from the last 4 classes. So it may be most important apart from the concern. So apart from lot of questions, particularly for the who is the father of human geography, very important question, many more time repeated. So Frederick Ratzel, so father of human geography, you know, and main branches of geography, which book wrote Frederick Ratzel, that is also that school, 2 schools of thought, you know, the French school and British school may be concerns. And field of human geography, 5 marks question, and branches of human geography and functions, okay, including 5 marks question, particularly important studying of human geography. Everything we have studied. Anyway, today we are completed first chapter. So students, get information more. Good luck. Dear students, continue next class. Stay home. Take care.